Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Yes, we at this channel, we are mourning the passing of a stalwart and a very decent police officer. Yes, man. SSP Carlton, Christopher Maddix. I have met this man once, and honestly, this man is one of the most decent police officers I've ever met. So he had passed away. Based on the conversation that we had with the man back in the 1990s at the commissioner office, realized that he had passed away. Somebody had forwarded the information to us. We had to give a shout out to his family that you have lost a giant. This is a very honest, decent police officer. Yes, Christopher Carlton Maddix, retired senior superintendent of police, late of Guava Ground District, Clarendon, and Rootven Road, Kingston, died peacefully March 17. That was last week, 2023. Yes, Carlton. Yes, SSP Maddix. Yes, leave is to mourn. Wife, Carol, children, Kerry, Ashley, Carlton, and Jonathan. Grandchildren, siblings, and many others. Family and friends. Funeral service will be Thursday, April 20, 2023 at about 11 a.m. at Mambe Park Baptist Church, 161A, Constant Spring Road, Intermit, at the church cemetery. Yes, man. Boy, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel mourn the loss of this man. This man was a police officer. Police. Yes, this is a police officer who loved crime fighter. I remember when I met this man. Sometime in life, one time, somebody can leave an impression on you and it lasts forever. One time I've ever met and spoken to this man, and I remember his name vividly. I don't know why they didn't promote him, so more or less he wasn't a part of the cabal. Very decent man. I remember that then, he told me that I don't want to go into the intimate details why I had met this man, but I can tell you that this man is a very good man. Rest in peace, SSP Carlton Christopher Maddix. He was a very decent police officer. Sleep well. Yeah, man, we will miss you. It's a pity that I have never seen you again, but to his wife, Carol, yes, and his children, Kerry, Ashley, Carlton and Jonathan, grandchildren and siblings. So this man is from Guava Ground, That's a police area that I used to work. And when I met the man, I am telling you, man, this man, the man that handshake, man, when he shook my hand, that handshake still with me, man, and the man, this man, you understand? But it's really a sad day for us here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, because he's a very good man and he's gone. But the Lord give it and the Lord take it away. And from us at the Jamaica Young Police channel to the Maddix family, our deepest and sincere condolences to you all. I know that this man is really missed, because he was a decent man. Very decent. Yes. And the thing that we are happy about over here is that SSP Maddix passed away, and he passed away peacefully. He didn't last his life as most Jamaicans, to the gun. But this man was a people person. This man was a good police officer. Yes. Rest in peace, Sir Christopher Maddix. Yes. We use a middle name because you see, your middle name is my first name, so we have to, heal you up. Yes, but I know that you guys, you have lost a giant in your family. And this man was a very good police officer. Rest in peace. And it's coming from the Jamaica Young Police channel. Jamaica Young Police channel. Out. Peace.